Okay, in this video is a real quick, easy one. We're going to look at the dashboard. Now, the dashboard is a way of helping us track how much we know, how much we think we know. So if we click on the dashboard, at the moment, we can see we've not learned any words in French, German, Spanish, or English. I mean, if we're English speakers, maybe we have. But let's go then back to one of the word lists. And if we remember, on the right-hand side are all these little circles where we can start to tick off the words that we know. So let's tick off a bunch of these just to say that we know them so we can see how this works. Now, the key is to be really honest with yourself. Don't just tick them because you want a higher score. Tick them because you really know them. Yeah, tick them because you're confident and sure that you're comfortable remembering that word. Then let's go into German. Let's tick a few on that one to say that we know those, just to see how it works. And then we'll go into Spanish and we'll tick one. Okay. Go into the dashboard. We can see, because we've ticked a bunch of them now. I know 10 French words or phrases. Same for German. I know some. And I know that one that I ticked in Spanish. So I can see exactly how my progress is going. And I can track it and go, okay, maybe I need to spend a little bit more time learning that or this. Depends what you're learning. Depends what you're studying. But that is a great feature just to help you stay in control and honest with your own progress and learning. Enjoy being creative.